What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, Magic's Unicorn. My name is Taisha. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to code in Python. So basically for today's video, I'm going to be showing you like a turtle graphics in Python, where we can draw many stuff. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an input, polygon, and a rosette. So now, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So guys, first what you want to do is go to Chrome and download Python shell. And once you downloaded it, you'll get something like this. So after you get this, now let's begin coding. First of all, what we want to do is import the turtle graphics, which is going to help us to draw our polygon and our rosette. So first what we want to do is put import turtle, and now let's make a variable which will hold turtle graphics in it. So t is equals to turtle dot pen, open bracket, close bracket. And after this, you guys can add a background color to our graphics. And don't forget to make the pen a capital P, otherwise it won't work. Now, for the background color, we'll put turtle dot bg color, open bracket, close bracket, and inside the brackets, we want to add these two double quotes, and that means strings in coding. Now, inside the strings, we want to write which color you want your background to be. I want it to be black. And now, you guys can also add your speed. So, we're going to do t dot speed, open bracket, close bracket, and inside the brackets, we can put 0 or 1, your choice. But 0 is the fastest speed, so I recommend you to do that, so it looks cool. After we put in the speed, now what we want to do is create a variable called size, and then what we want to do is do size is equals to int, open bracket, close bracket, and inside the brackets what we want to do is put turtle dot num input. So what this does is that whatever number they enter, it is gonna convert it into an int, and then we can do our things. So after doing num input, what we want to do is do another open bracket, close bracket, and inside that we want to do double quotes, which are strings. And after doing that, we can put the heading, number of size. And now after doing that, we can put a comma and enter, put double quotes again. After putting double quotes again, what we want to do is type in what you want the turtle to ask. So we want it to ask, how many sides do you want? And we can give in a certain amount by we can do open bracket, close bracket from 1 to 8. 8 should be fine. And after doing that, what we want to do is put a comma, and we want to do a default, like when the screen opens, what can be the default. 4 is a nice number. Then we can put comma 1, comma 8, which is from 1 to 8. So after doing this, we can create another variable called colors is equals to, and this one will make sure the pen color keeps repeating. So what we want to do is put square brackets this time, open bracket, close bracket, and inside the square brackets we can put strings. And after doing that, we can enter how many other colors you want. You can put red, comma, blue, comma. Like this, we can keep on adding 8 colors because we've done till 8. So guys, after doing all that, you can save this file. Go to File and Save As, and save it whatever name you want. After doing that, now let's just see if the background color works. And let's go to One Module, and you gotta wait a little for it. And then you can see it as how many sides you want, and the background color is black. So that much works. So now we can just close it. And move on to the next part. So now what we want to do is write for M, or you can write X, whichever variable you find good. In range, open bracket, close bracket, and we want to put a colon. That's the syntax for the for loop. So after doing that, inside the brackets, what we want to do is put 5, comma, 75. Well, by entering 2 numbers over here, what we are doing is it's going to scan from number 5 to 75. And now, as you can see, it's inside the for loop now because there's a tab over here. And now what we want to do is write T dot left, open bracket, close bracket, and inside the brackets we want to write 360 divided by sides plus 5. So what this does is it divides 360 by sides, like how many ever sides we enter from 1 to 8, and it adds 5 to it. And if you don't want a lot of space between your polygons and circles, like rosettes, you can add it 2 or 3, you can make it less, or you can make it more. It's completely up to you. And after that, what we want to do is this is a for loop, so it keeps looping and looping until it reaches 75. So until we keep looping, we want to increase the width if you want to. So we want to do T dot width, and we want to do open bracket, close bracket, X divided by 25 plus 1. Okay. And after doing that, we can do the colors. As you can see, there are 8 colors here. We wanted to loop through the colors. For each thing, we want a different color. For that, we can do T dot pen color, open bracket, close bracket. And after doing that, we can enter colors. Since this variable over here is colors, we're importing colors over here, and we can do an open bracket, close bracket again. And inside those brackets, what we want to do is put X mod. We can put X mod sides. So now it'll keep looping around all these colors. So now after doing that, what we want to do is do T dot pen up, open bracket, close bracket. What this does is it lifts the pen up. And after doing that, we can do T dot forward, T dot forward. So this is for the polygon. For the polygon to move into 4. So it keeps moving. And then finally we want to do T dot pen down, open bracket, close bracket. And one more thing, guys, we're doing this pen up and pen down because like when we do pen up, between each and every shape the pen is lifted and again it's penned down. If you don't put it, there'll be lines between those things. It's totally your wish. If you want to play around with it, you guys can do that as well. So guys, after doing the for loop, what we want to do is inside the for loop we want to add an if statement. So for the if statement, we're going to write if, open bracket, close bracket, x mod 2, which means x divided by 2, like it gives a remainder. So if x divided by 2 is equals to 0, then we want to do colon. And now as you can see, it's inside the if loop. And now after that we want to add another for loop inside the if loop. Well, this is called the nested loops, which like we have loops inside loops inside loops. Yeah, it's a lot. Okay, but after doing that we want to add for. You guys can add y or n, any variable you want. Y in range, open bracket, close bracket, colon. Inside the brackets, what we want to do is put sides. So for y in range of sides, whatever sides we have, that. So this is for the circles. We want to do t dot circle. And we want to put open bracket, close bracket, and inside the brackets what we want to do is put x. X divided by 3. Okay guys, and then after that we want to put another statement called t dot right, because this is the word that we don't want it to keep repeating in the same circle like this, but we want it to go like this, right? So we're gonna do right, and put open bracket, close bracket. Inside that we want to do 360 divided by sides. Now we can just go back like this to the if statement, that, and we want to put else. So if it's not equals to this, so if you put x mod 2, it's an even number. X mod 2 is equals to 0. The remainder should be 0. If it's not 0, then it's an odd number. So for an odd number, we're gonna be drawing. We're gonna be putting the for loop for y again in range, open bracket, close bracket, and colon. Inside this, we're gonna put again sides. And now as you can see, it's inside the for loop, and what we want to do is t dot forward, open bracket, close bracket, and we're gonna put m. So we have to move m times forward. M times forward. Yes. After doing that, we want to do t dot right, open bracket, close bracket, 360 divided by sides. So this is all the code we need to do a polygon and a rosette. So guys, actually there is one correction to this script, which is that in this t.pen colors, except instead of putting a round bracket, we have to actually put a square bracket, and then again over here I had put m, but except instead of m we have to put x over there because we have put in x over here. So these are the only correction to the script, and now let us run it. So we have to do Alt plus F5 in Windows, or you can just put Run Program. So I want 4 sides. So as you can see, it's like the name is number of sides, and it's telling how many sides do you want from 1 to 8. If I put 4 and press OK, you can see how beautifully it's returning a polygon and rosettes. And as you can see, it's even altering the colors, the green 4 colors. And it looks so beautiful. So guys, now we'll just end the program. And let's just test if it works from 1 to 8. If we put 9 in the program, what will it return? So here I put 9, press OK. And as expected, it's telling the allowed maximum value is 8. Please try again. So I'm gonna try again and put, let's see, 5. Wow, it's returning some really cool shapes. So that's it for this video guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the link below. Thank you for watching. Bye!